Welcome to the Race of Champions. So here we are on the Race of Champions, and there is two cars from Audi, the past with S1 Quattro and the future with the RS Q e-tron. And we will do this afternoon a show together.
The favorite car is of course the old Audi S1, the old tradition that fits to my age in that sense. But I would say, to be honest, the standard rallycross is the most challenging and most difficult with the gear and whatever.
And away we go in the supercar lights.
I remember one time you beat Mr. Loeb in the Race of Champions. It was a long time ago.
Yeah, and he beat me last year here, so.
Second heat of the final for Race of Champions.
But Ekström having some kind of problem. It's a fire.
He's got a fire in the car.
No, it was a little electricity fire on the center console, and I immediately understood that probably the car had been driving too much and there was the windscreen heater. So I switched it off and then I grabbed it with my glove to, was the relay that got too hot.
Ekström will be champion for a fourth time. An incredible run.
It's always nice to win a race, and this race is special to me. I won it 3 times before, and now in Sweden in PTO is a very, very special feeling for me.